Welcome to the People Vlog. This is my second vlog, so I'm continuing on, and I'm continuing on with the theme of hybrid working and managing teams remotely. It's hard enough managing teams as it is when you're face to face, and we talked about some of those things that we're missing from day to day, 9 to 5 working. Thank goodness for a lot of people that's finished. But I'm going to carry on with the theme and using Miro. I used that last week. Remember to upload your presentations onto Miro and use it to much more engaging. But I want to actually talk about project management. Now I'm going to flick very shortly onto Miro and show you an example of using a Kanban board, which is a very simple agile tool to use of moving tasks from various statuses and making sure everybody's aligned. So I'm going to click to that right now. This is a blank template that I've got. It's very easy to set these things up. I've actually called this demonstration. And on the left here, we've got everything that you can do to add templates or text or shapes or post-it notes or whatever you want to do. And we uploaded a presentation document last vlog. So you've seen how to use this, but I'm just going to quickly click into template. And I'm also going to click into Agile. It gives you lots of information here. And I'm going to click onto this one here, Kanban framework. Now this shows you the information about each one of the templates. It gives you an option of a pre-filled version or a blank one. And it gives you you can have a good look at the actual pre-filled one to see what it looks like. And it gives you some related tasks as well. But I'm just going to use a blank template. I'm going to jump straight in here. Everything in here we can change all these names to these columns, and this is a classic Kanban board view where you've got a task and you can move it across to done, and you can see it actually tracks how many tasks are in each one. Just imagine you're on a board in a room with loads of post-it notes up, moving across or writing stuff on the board. This is exactly the same type of thing, but it gives you more functionality. You can change color. So let's go to nice blue. Everything's blue, quite light blue. You can say it's in progress. So I'm going to put that as in progress. I'm going to give it a flag as say it's this people stuff in relation to that. I'm going to add me as a person who's doing it. And then I'm going to actually put in the progress piece. And I can put a nice little topic in here. People stuff. There we go. Very non-committal. And there you go, that's it. And if you want to add a new card, all you do is either click into the area, like I've done, or just click a new card. It's simple as that. And you can add, if you go to the ellipses on each one, you can add a swim lane. So you can add a whole other team. There you go. Simple and easy. And also if you click at the top as well, you can add a column. So you can add another column as, let's do escalated. So if issues are escalated, let's do that. So then there we go, you can put then people stuff's escalated, and so we can then just click on this and delete. Let me just delete that one. There you go. And there you go, you can change everything on here. You can add as many swim lanes, I call these swim lanes, or columns, depending on your job and the project that you're in. And you can, as soon as people get assigned, they get a little message to say they're assigned. And it's a simple and easy tool to use when you're running your teams on a weekly basis or daily basis to just keep track of general stuff or a particular detailed program of work. I do like the functionality here of clicking into this arrow, and it'll then bring up the left-hand side with, and it was giving lots of little reminders. There we go. You can put in lots of descriptions. You can probably format it as well, and you can give it a little tick list as well, so which is really, really useful. And actually I'm going to set some dates in here as well, and you can do that from here, or you can do that from the actual card itself. So if I do that, there you go, and then I can close that down, and then you can see here, there we go, the date's in there, so I know what's going to happen. And actually I've now done it well ahead of schedule as usual, so I'm just going to mark that as complete, done. There you go. Enjoy. There you go, as simple as that. So next week I'm going to talk about a little bit more fun for you, about what you can do with your team remotely in the hybrid world, and do keep in touch. Bye-bye.